So now I'm going to build a farm. Okay, my chicken farm. It's going to be a rectangular farm. The total amount of fencing that I will need for my farm is 1 kilometer, which is the same as 1,000 meters. Okay, let's use 1,000 meters. So basically, I've got to build a fence around my farm for all my chickens. Okay, so yeah, all my chickens here. Yeah, so you're told. Well, I need the length here to be 104 meters longer than this side here. Okay, so basically my farm here has to be 104 meters longer than this side here and this side here. Okay, so the length has to be 104 meters longer. So somehow, remember the total amount of fencing that I've got is 1,000 meters. So work out the size of my my farm. So basically, I want to know the height of this farm and the length of this farm here. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So when you don't know something, let's call it x. So let's call this x here. This must be x plus 104. This must be x. This must be x plus 104. Okay. I know that if I add up all four sides, it has to come to 1,000 meters. So let's add this one. This one would be x. Now add it to this one here. Plus, actually, these two here will be 2x. Okay, and then let's add this one here, plus x plus 104, and then plus x plus 104. So it's the same as before, really. So basically, you've got 2x here, plus another x, plus another x. So that would be 4x. Okay. So that would be 4x, and then you've got, remember, single number here, we can merge them together. So that would be 208. Okay, equals 1,000. So now it's just a matter of killing off the 208. So 1,000 take away 208. Okay, so now let's have a look at this here. 0 take away 8, not enough. So I'm going to have to borrow from here. But not enough here. So basically I'm going to have to borrow this one here. So this becomes a 10. And then I'll have to borrow 1 from here. So this now becomes a 9. And then this will become a 10. Basically I need to borrow it again. So this becomes a 9 and this becomes a 10. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. So basically now 10 take away 8 will be 2, 9 take away 0 will be 9, and 9 take away 2 would be 7. It doesn't matter if you don't understand this. So basically 1,000 take away 208 would be 792. Okay, equals 4x. Alright, so now divide both sides by 4. So 792 divided by 4. So let's look at the first digit. 7 divided by 4 without going over would be 1, remainder 3. Now it's 39 divided by 4 without going over. Well, 4 times 10 is 40, so it must be 9. 4 times 9 would be 36, and basically the remainder here would be 3. Okay, now it's 32. 32 divided by 4 would be 8. Okay, so x here is 198. It doesn't matter. Well, use whichever method you want when you're here. So x here is 198. So my farm here would be like this. 198 here, This must be 198. And we said that this has to be 108, 104 meters longer than this length here. So hang on, let me work it out. 198 plus 104. This would be 2, and then carry the 1, 0, 2, 3. So this must be 302. Okay, which will mean this is 302. So now, if we add them all together, let's well basically get a calculator out and check. All these should add up to 1,000. Okay. All right.